Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make authentic Nigerian Banga soup. This soup is rich, flavorful and super easy to prepare. Let's get started. Here's everything we'll need. Palm nuts. I'll be using both Habanero and scotch bonnet. Ponmo, catfish, onions. This is optional, by the way. Banga spices. This is a blend of the spices listed on the screen. Beletete, seasoning cubes, and salt. First, you're going to boil your palm nuts until soft. Make sure you wash them thoroughly before cooking. If you're using store-bought palm nut concentrate, you can skip this step. You're going to cook this for 30 minutes. Once the palm nut is soft, you're going to transfer into a mortar. Pound this gently until all the shafts are completely separated from the nut. You can use a food processor for this as well. Transfer into a bowl and extract the rich palm oil by adding warm water. You're going to squeeze out the juice by sieving. Once the juice is all out, add in more water for a second round of juice. Then use your hands to squeeze it all out. This can be messy, but trust me, it is totally worth it. Pour the palm extract into a pot and bring to a boil. Once boiled, it's time to gently place the catfish inside. Be careful not to stir too hard to avoid breaking the fish. Cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes. After cooking for 5 minutes, you're going to add your onions, pepper, salt, seasoning powder, Ponmo, and Banga spice. Gently stir this and then cook for another 5 minutes or until the soup starts to thicken and there's visible oil on top. You're then finally going to add your Beletete leaves. You can substitute this for dried bitter leaf and let the soup simmer until it is thicker and aromatic. And that's it, guys. Our delicious authentic Banga soup is ready. Serve hot with starch, fufu, pounded yam, or even rice. And of course, I serve mine with starch. If you love this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it and subscribe for more amazing Nigerian dishes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.